Fort Lauderdale, Florida is kind of the mecca of the large yacht industry. Because of the canals and the way the city is built, there's a tremendous amount of private moorage behind people's homes and a lot of private contractors that are out working on boats all over the city every day. My name is Bill Conry, and I started in the marine industry in 1979, which led me to here in Fort Lauderdale, where I started my own company in 2002, Sea-R-O. Sea-R-O has been using John Guest fittings for approximately 15 years of our 17 years since we founded the company. Sea-R-O produces reverse osmosis desalination systems, and the common term in the industry is Watermaker. We build systems for yachts and island homes. We produce pure drinking water from a seawater source. Regardless of the size of the yacht, space is always a huge concern for the installation. So we have to make our control panels as small as possible to fit into the spaces that have been allocated to install our equipment. We use the same things over and over and over again, many elbows, T's, male adapters, female adapters. We've been very happy with John Guest fittings from the start. We do between 100 and 200 systems in a year. In our 17 years, we probably have 3,000 units of various sizes out in the world now, and a lot of them are still operating from the first ones that we produced. John Guest fittings, there's no issue in any climate that we've used them in, and they're fully reusable. John Guest representatives have taken the time to visit us on a very regular basis, both to show us new products as well as answer any questions we may have. When we have had to reach out to John Guest for more technical, specific questions, they've been a tremendous resource. I ask a question, they know the answer right then and there. So they've been very supportive and a wealth of information. In a nutshell, John Guest fittings save you time and money and produces a very nice finished product.